With your arms up?
No.
Okay,
Come on,
well,
like
whatever.
this.
Let's do it.
Like this.
Okay, here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Right now. This is the song. Here it comes. I used to put my faith in worship. Nope, Naomi. I used to worry about the future. No! Sorry. No instant reaction. No, no, no. Till I took a trip to the other side of town.
Hey, Mama, watch what I can do.
You're in a recital.
And Dad. No. Mama, look.
Oh.
Was that the worm?
Probably. I'm going through a good job, Naomi.
Do it again, Naomi. Woo!
Mama, look.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Now it feels really good. My hang-ups.
And again.
So helping.
That was cute, Madeline.
Please bring out my underwear.
Can't see your underwear. Finish your dance. Between hell and high water, I need a kill to make it through. Hey! Dancing. Nothing left for me to do but dance. All these bad times I'm going through, just dance. Can't heat in my heels tonight, baby. You know I got can't heat in my heels. I'm gonna make it anyway. Yeah. Got can't heat in my heels tonight, baby. This is the part where she spins.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, they just put it on the loop anyway.
Real.
Very pretty. She put on her ballet shoes.
Mama, look, I'm doing the same thing as her.
You look just like her, Naomi. You even got her same shoes.
What about me?
Perfect.
Wow.
Perfect. When I'm asleep, she says, you know that you can go much faster. I'm talking so cheap. Michelle.
Mom, I think you have to sit down. Mom, we don't have any room.
Oh, sorry. I got kicked out of the recital.
Mama, watch it.
My feet because it goes so fast. Oh, wow. Baboosh.
Watch this.
Lovely. Tonight, baby.
Mama, watch this.
Dancing.
Watch
Woo!
this. Watch, Mama.
I'm watching all of y'all at the same time, all this time. I'm seeing everything. In my heels tonight, baby.
Penelope's really spinning like her.
Like this boogie. I know. In my heels, yeah. Gonna dance my blues away tonight. Gonna dance my blues away.
If you're gonna make it one more time, you kiss. Ow.
So much
Mama,
fun.
watch this.
In my heels, yeah. Gonna dance my... All right. It's almost over. In 5, 4, 3.
Everyone get ready for your curtsy. Get ready for your curtsy.
1. Here comes tonight, baby. Yay!
Curtsy.
Hi,